Stop paying for hosting every single month. You can now host unlimited websites and domains with blazing fast load speeds for a one-time price. No more Bluehost bills, no more HostGator headaches. If you want to save over $8,000 a year and take full control of your online business, keep watching. Hostzy is one of the most affordable hosting solutions I've seen in a long time. You get real cPanel hosting, fast cloud servers, unlimited websites, unlimited bandwidth, and top security features with no recurring fees. If the team behind it continues delivering support and updates for the upcoming years, this can easily replace the overpriced hosting companies everyone is stuck paying for. Hostzy is a cloud-based hosting platform with cPanel that lets you host unlimited websites and domains, install WordPress with one click, get 100% uptime guarantee, enjoy free SSL on every website, use fast SSD servers for maximum performance, have automated daily backups for peace of mind, protect your sites with advanced security and firewall, move websites easily with free migration support. It's designed for marketers, bloggers, e-commerce store owners, agencies, and beginners who want speed, simplicity, and total control without monthly payments. Here's what you'll see inside. First, log in to the Hostzy dashboard. You can add a domain or migrate an existing one within seconds. You get a simple panel to manage your hosting, access your cPanel, install WordPress, create email accounts, manage databases, track performance, and more. Click Softachilles, choose WordPress, hit install, and your site goes live almost instantly. You also get built-in security, daily backups, and file management all in one place. Everything is beginner-friendly. You don't need technical skills.
Hey, what if you could host unlimited websites or domains on our lightning-fast servers for the next decade for a low one-time price, without paying huge monthly fees or yearly recurring fee forever? So, if you too are looking to boost your website loading speed that ultimately drives more visitors and sales to your offers, Then stay connected to this video for the next 3 minutes. Hi, I'm Jack, and today you're going to discover how you too can host unlimited websites and domains like the market leaders are doing. But before moving ahead, answer these questions. Are you sick and tired of paying huge money to hosting service providers monthly? Are you facing issues with slow website loading that reduces customer experience? Are you willing to keep your site safe from hackers every time? Are you willing to say goodbye to all these problems once and for all? If you're standing there saying yes, I've got some great news for you today. Presenting Hostzy, a brand new website hosting solution that enables you to host unlimited websites, domains at lightning fast speed with blazing fast cloud servers with no additional cost. Now you too can save thousands of dollars monthly and boost your website speed like you always wanted. All you need to do is follow these 3 easy steps. Number 1. Log in and enter domain details. Number 2. Set up and host unlimited websites. Number 3. Boost sales and profits. Just follow these 3 steps and press the accelerator to become financially independent without any third-party dependency. Here are some of the top benefits that you get with Hostzy today. Host unlimited website without any restriction for a low one-time fee. Create unlimited domains and unlimited subdomains. Blazing super fast web hosting and optimized for speed. Free SSL certificate and highly secured hosting. 100% uptime guarantee. Easy to use control panel with one-click WordPress installation. Unlimited bandwidth. Automated daily backup. 100% cloud-based and SSD server helps you get more faster loading speed. Newbie-friendly and easy-to-use software. Manage everything from one central dashboard. 24/7 technical support and tons of other amazing benefits when you grab your copy. I'm sure these benefits would have you mesmerized from tip to toe. Now, the choice is yours. You can waste thousands of dollars on those money-sucking hosting companies that charge monthly, or make the smart choice and choose Hostzy today for hosting unlimited websites like a pro. You are covered with our ironclad 30-day money-back guarantee, so there's nothing to worry about at your end. But let me warn you, this is a limited time deal and you'll not be able to get this at such a low price once the launch period gets over. The price you're seeing on the page is at a crazy low discount, and this won't be available ever again. Remember, the price shoots up with every sale, so hit the button below to grab your copy now. Good luck, and I'll see you inside.
There are optional upgrades to enhance your results. Upgrade 1, Hostzy Pro. You unlock advanced malware protection, DDoS blocking, DNS control, powerful processors for faster load speeds, and commercial rights to sell hosting services. Price ranges around $37 to $47. Upgrade 2, Hostzy Drive. You get secure cloud storage for all your websites, files, videos, and backups. Available from $47 to $67 depending on storage size. Upgrade 3, Hostzy Reseller. You can resell hosting accounts and keep 100% profits. This is perfect for agencies and freelancers. Plans start from $147 to $197. These upgrades are not required, but they definitely increase value and income potential. To make this deal even better, I'm including exclusive bonuses when you purchase Hostzy from the link below. These tools help you get traffic, leads, and sales. Bonus 1, WP Slideshow Master. Create attention-grabbing sliders that increase engagement. Bonus 2, WP Swift Page Plugin. Instant speed boost for better SEO and conversions. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Automatically sync Facebook leads to your autoresponder. Bonus 4, WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to emails and pages to increase urgency. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Optimize your advertising for more profits. Bonus 6, Action Poll. Segment leads and improve conversions through targeted emails. Bonus 7, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Collect more leads with powerful attention bars. Bonus 8, 100 ready-made niche blogs. Start ranking and monetizing instantly with pre-built blogs. Bonus 9, WP Video Attention. Keep viewers watching with a sticky video player. Bonus 10, Website Pouch Pro. Show or hide promotional content to increase clicks. These bonuses alone are worth thousands and are only available through the link below on this page. They disappear when the timer hits 0 or when all copies are claimed. If you are tired of paying monthly hosting bills and you want super fast websites that rank better and convert better, Hostzy is a strong option. You get unlimited hosting, unlimited bandwidth, and top security without recurring fees. Click the link below and lock in your access now. The price will increase soon and the bonus bundle is only available for a limited number of customers. If you miss this, you will end up paying way more later. Click the link below now to secure Hostzy and get all bonuses instantly. Thanks for watching this review. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more deals and reviews, and comment if you have any questions. Your bonuses will be delivered inside Warrior Plus after your purchase. Tap the link below to get started and I'll see you inside.